Hello everybody, last week we was make spaghetti garlic and oil. The people like so much and he got request agar say Pasquale, why not make spaghetti garlic and oil with anchovy? And we want to put anchovy plus I put a little pepper. Now for the spaghetti garlic and oil, the anchovy, make sure the anchovy we take it out of the oil, because the oil is really strong and salty. Everybody can use any kind of anchovy, but I use this one, they call it cento anchovy. I got parsley, and this is the anchovy I gotta use. A lot of garlic I use, and the pepper. And the pepper, make sure the wash gets really salty too. Okay, now we'll put the oil on this spots over here. You know, you can cut the garlic in a half or 4 pieces, or you can chop really thin, the way you like. And this, I cut this in a half, like this. Now, when you put the anchovy inside, you gotta put low the flame. Now, we put the anchovy inside. And this, when you put the anchovy, like this, and you load the flame like I did already. The smell is so good. Okay, now I like to put the fresh pepper over here. This my son he was bring his plant for home he got. And I got the pepper, and we put the pepper too over here. This is almost done. Now this one I turn off. I don't want the anchovy cook too much. Now the water boil, I salt, and now it's time for the pasta. And the pasta you gotta cook like 9 minutes. But I like al dente and I taste. Okay, now the pasta is ready. Let me move the pasta over here. And I got over here the anchovy too ready. And let's take the pasta out. And we put it right inside of this pot over here. It's okay, go a little water, I need a little water. Oh, look, nice spaghetti. Facciamo una bella spaghettata con le acciughe. Nobody gotta touch my spaghetti. Questi spaghetti sono solo per me. All for me, this spaghetti. Okay, now you know what I need over here? I need a little water with the pasta, not too much. Look how beautiful this will look. Look at that. Huh? Look at this. Madonna mia. Okay, my spaghetti ready. And now we put inside this bella spasa. Oh, look at that. Nice, nice. Okay. Little parsley. And look at nice, beautiful dish we got over here. Look at beautiful. Okay, now it's a time to mangiare, eat. Oh, you gotta have a big mouth like this. Salute cincin everybody. It's really good. I hope somebody make this spaghetti with anchovy. Salute cin cin. A salute a tutti quanti. Compa, paesa. A salute. Cin cin. Bella. Va solo. By selfie, guarda.